I love making math enjoyable and as easy as possible. My goal with these math videos is to make them short, sweet, and lighthearted. So relax, believe in yourself. Let's go have some fun. So let's take a look at inequalities with adding or subtracting. These are all the same symbols that we've been looking at. So we have greater than, we have a not equal to, and we have a less than or equal to. So a little bit of everything. We're going to use all the same properties to solve for x first. That's the big takeaway, is you have to solve for x before you can graph these. So let's start by subtracting 8 from both sides. That gives me x is greater than negative 12. When I go to graph this, I can now only graph the negative 12, and it is greater than. So remember, that's an open circle because there's no bar underneath, and my arrow is going to the right. This is that little math hack we saw before, where if we look at the arrow, it's going to the right, so this arrow is also going to the right. This is a not equal to symbol. So if we subtract 1 from both sides, we have x is not equal to negative 3. So not equal to is graphed where we have an open circle over that value, over the negative 3. But since it's all of the values except negative 3, I want to have arrows that go both directions away from the negative 3. Last but not least, I want to add 10 to this one. So I'm going to say x is less than or equal to 31. To graph this number line, I'm just going to plop my 31 right here, short and sweet, filled in, or a solid circle, because there's more ink underneath the symbol, which means I'm going to put more ink inside of my circle here. That's one of the ways I remember. My arrow is pointing to the left because it's less than or equal to. All values smaller than 31, but including 31, are going to work for this. Hopefully that makes some more sense. How was that? Short, sweet, lighthearted? Hopefully you made a connection with that math video. Hopefully you had a moment where you said, oh, that makes sense. Go check out my other videos and let your friends know too.